Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, we're talking about broccoli. Carrots the healthy way to eat your food. And that wise it means to make you strong. Like I do. And I eat carrots.
Whoa.
And you need to eat your carrots. Bye guys. That's all about.
Wait, show them how you eat all of your carrots.
Okay.
Look guys, this is one carrot. And he's taking little bites, but then right now he's gonna take a big bite. Take a big bite. That's a bigger bite.
I can eat a big bite.
Little by little.
I can take
What are you drinking? Juice?
water.
Why?
Because that makes us healthy.
That makes you healthy? Mmm.
Rice. This is rice.
Now you're eating some rice. What else? Let's see. Finish your carrot.
And then I can...
Say hi to your friend Emiliano.
Hi, Miano. Miano, you need to eat your carrots. Because they make you strong. You need to eat them.
Mmm. Eat it all, Emric.
I can't. Listen, goodbye. Bye. Bye, Miano.